Hi, in this lesson, we will look at how to ask and answer a simple possessive question. And if you are new here, consider subscribing to join our community of learners. Here is our vocabulary to work on for the day. Look, listen, and repeat. What? Do, have, I, you. Listen one more time. What? Do, have, I, you. Now, you repeat. Good. Activities in this lesson are designed to help you say and repeat vocabularies many times. This will help you during the practice section to read the combination of these words. Let's begin with activity 1. Let's assign numbers from 1 to 6 to our vocabulary. In this case, what? 1, 2, do, 3, have, 4, I, 5, you, 6. Let's go over our vocabulary and their numbers one more time. What? 1, 2, do, 3, have, 4, I, 5, you, 6. Now, activity 2. Identify the words that each number represents and write each word below the number. You can pause the video and finish the activity or continue watching to see how it is done. In this case, this is number 1, and what word was assigned 1? What? This is the number 3. What word was assigned number 3? Do. This is 6. And what word was assigned 6? You. This is 4. And what word was assigned 4? Have. Now, can you read for me? Good. What do you have? Let's write these words down here and call it A. What do you have? In activity B, we have different sequence of numbers. Again, identify each word for each number and write the word below the number. You can still pause the video and finish the activity or continue watching to see what happens. This is the number 5. And what word was given the number 5? I. This is the number 4. And what word was given the number 4? Have. This is the number 2. And what word was given the number 2? So can you read for me? Good. I have a. Now, let's write these words together and put them here as our B. B, I have a. Now, we have two sentences. Sentence A, what do you have? A question that is asking you what you have, what you possess. And B, I have a, an incomplete answer to our question. Let's get to the activity section and see how to practice these structures we have. In the practice session, I will read A and you read B. Right. What do you have? Remember our B? And this is, so we say, I have a car. I have a car. Let's try another one. What do you have? What do you have? I have a cup. I have a cup. Right? I have a cup. What do you have? I have a cake. I have a cake. What do you have? I have a cat. I have a cat. All right. There are so many things you can have, not only these things we have learnt about. For want of time, we can only focus on these few words. I hope you will have time to practice at home as well. Thank you so much for learning with us. If you really enjoyed this video, give us a thumb up and also don't forget to subscribe and leave us your comment. My name is Tai Kisi. See you in the next video.